bullshit. To fucking take advantage of fucking people, man. That fucking silence is bullshit. Everybody, shh, quiet, we don't talk about it. Fuck your silence. God didn't give me a fucking mouth to be quiet. All this bullshit, everybody talking like la chingada. What good is it fucking doing us if we bring fucking pedophiles? We got pedophiles in the fucking big house? What good is the fucking silence doing? We're turning into a nation of fucking pussies, the fucking old timers, dog. I guarantee you, 99.9% of them are fucking disgusted right now. If they watching us, they're like, these motherfuckers are a bunch of fucking idiots, a bunch of pussies. Because there's no way that they would let this shit fly. Kids? Really? You got fucking parents selling their daughters to these motherfuckers, man. What is wrong with us? And somehow, nobody said, everybody just, let's just, because, you know, it's the